Welcome back once again to your GK Buddy. Recently, a friend asked me, how can I make a beautiful greeting card in QuickTime? I thought today we will address the issue raised by him. There are many card making sites, but the first site that comes to my mind is canva.com. Now let's go to canva.com. On the screen is the Canva homepage. If you already have an account, you can sign in. Otherwise, you can sign up using your email account, or you can use your Facebook or Google account to open a Canva account. Canva also has a desktop application which you can download and work offline. You can search for Canva desktop app in Google and download the app. Periodically, your account will be updated between your offline app and your account in canva.com. Canva has a paid account which is called Canva Pro and also a free account. If you do not do a lot of work in this area, a free online account is good enough. There is also an option for paying for the premium elements online as you use it on a case by case. Downloading the app takes space on your computer disk, and if you are a casual user, I think working online will take care of your needs. Canva Pro has more utilities and more resources, but for a casual user, the facilities offered by a free account is good enough. On signing up, you will be taken to the Canva homepage as you see on the screen. You can familiarize with the menu by exploring it. At the top, you have a search window which will help you to locate the things you are looking for. On the left pane, you can see the menu for your home. A series of items you can see, all your designs, shared with you, brand kit, content planner, all your folders, trash, and so on. Now at the top, you can explore the templates. You can see templates for social media, templates for personal, business, marketing, education, and the trending items also. Under each head, there are templates to meet your normal needs. Canva is a design software and it provides you a lot of tools to make your own designs or to improve on the templates provided by it. In this video, instead of exploring all items in the menu, we will confine to making of a beautiful greeting card. We will search for birthday greeting card templates. I find options birthday cards and animated birthday cards. We will try to have a look at the animated birthday cards. It presents us with two templates. We will open a blank animated birthday card. Now you can see two templates are available here. Look at the tools available. There are templates, there are elements, uploads, photos, text, audio, background. All these tools are available to help us design the card. Now let us select this template. I'll just show you a preview of this. Click open. This will appear like this. A very happy birthday to you. This is a template. This is animated. The leaves are moving. Now let's see how we can edit it. Here you can see this is one element. This moving leaf is an element. All these things, each flower is an element. This writing is an element. We can use the tools available to us and edit this. I'll try to replace this particular leaf. I selected it Now I will use the delete key and delete this. Now it is removed. Instead, we'll try to place another flower here. You can select the elements and search for flowers in the search window. When I drag it down, so many things are appearing. You can choose the type of flower also. Roses are available. You can see when I move my cursor on this, it is showing it is free. It is not a paid element. And this element, this rose is from Canva Pro. This I can use only if I have a Canva Pro account. Or if I use it, they will ask me to pay for this particular element. We will choose this particular rose which is available free. I click on this. Now it will appear here. I can drag it over here. Now I can resize it. I'm making it a little small. And this hello beautiful, I think I don't require that, so I'm deleting it. Now you can see, may this be your best year yet, and okay. One leaf we have removed, deleted that element, and we have placed a flower here. I will show you the preview of that card. The card will look like this now. Suppose you are not happy with the color of this flower and you want to change it. You can select it, just delete it. There are other flowers about this one. You can try this one. It is free. So I'll move it here, resize it, place it here, remove those letters. Now I think it goes well with the overall design. And that there are animated items also here. This is an animated item. This also is an animated item, free also. So if you want to choose any other item, you can use it here. We can make this writing a very happy birthday a little more attractive. I'll choose this one. Once I choose, this can be edited. The text color is shown here. Suppose I want to change the color. I can choose any one of this color, or I can go to the palette, make it a little bright red. That color also, I think, will make it a little brighter. This looks better, this red. So we'll keep that red color, choose it. Suppose you want to adjust the size, you can do it here. Now we'll try to add some animation to the card. Let us select this element. There is an animation, but it is not much visible because of the background color. So let us change the background color. A wide range is there. Only thing you have to see whether this is free or premium. Pro account. This is a pro account, and all these things, it's written free. We'll try this out. Now this is the background color we have changed to this. You can choose anything. Once the background is changed, the animation is now visible. So it is becoming a little more attractive. You can choose from the wide range of colors available here. We'll go ahead with this background and this animation. I'll show you how this will look like in the preview. It has become a little more colorful. I think that's okay. Now let's add some music to it. So there is audio here. We will choose this music. This is free. Now we can give a name to this card file here so that you can identify it when you download and keep it on your desktop or wherever. I'll give it a name, Happy B-Day. so it will be easy to identify. Now you can see here it runs for 8.3 seconds. Now we have chosen an audio, we have moved a music clip to it. You can observe from here the music clip is 2 minutes long, but it will play for the length of the time indicated here. This 8.3 seconds you can choose from any part of the song. Suppose I move it, it will be playing whatever is there at this point. Now, having completed the designing of the card, let us download it. Click on the download icon. Now you have to choose the file format. MP4 video is suggested. Other formats available are PNG, JPG, PDF. But here our file contains audio and animation also. So naturally we have to download it in MP4 format only. So it has started downloading. It has completed downloading. Now I will move this file from download folder to our desktop. Now let us open and see our greeting card file. So that's how it looks. Now we can think of two enhancements to this card. Suppose we want a different music than the stock music available in the software. Let's see how we can replace it with the usual happy birthday song. I have a file on the desktop which we will upload to canva.com. So click uploads, upload media. So here is the happy birthday song on my desktop. It is getting uploaded here. Now we will delete this music. I have selected the morning sunflake which is there. I will remove it to trash. Now I will use the happy birthday song I have uploaded. It's available in the uploads. Now I will select this one.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May happy birthday.
You can see the song is 20 seconds long, but the card time is only 8.3 seconds. It is getting cut there. That is one problem. Since this is a full song, we have to adjust the timing of the card. So that is one thing. So we have already uploaded it. We will take it up later. Now I will add a new page to it. This is an extra page that I will delete. So one page is added. Now we will upload an image from the desktop. We will use a photo we have taken as an element in our card. We will upload a photo file from the desktop. We go to upload, upload media, select the file. So this file I have uploaded now. What I will do is, we will put it on this new page which is blank. We will select a frame for this image so that it will be contained in that frame. So we will go to the elements, search frames. It is showing some frames. You can see, I'll choose this frame. In that frame I will put the image of a boat we have just uploaded. So it will be contained in that frame. Now I will change the background. How about this? It doesn't look good. So I selected a plain background. Then we will add some text to it. Suppose we select this style. Now we can change the wordings in this. I'll say happy. I'll make the letters a little smaller that it will be contained in our box. This happy is 44. So we'll move it here. This is just for demonstration. Now about the happy birthday song. The uploaded song is 20 seconds long. Now we have 2 pages to the card. Altogether it is 13.3 seconds. Up to this. So what we have to do is we have to increase the timing of a card. So let me select this. When you make a new card, the time will be 5 seconds. We will increase the time here a little. Now you can see 19.8 seconds. We will leave it at that. Now the birthday song is 20 seconds. The card will show up to 19.8 seconds. We can make finer adjustment to make it 20 seconds also. Now let's see this.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May good luck go with you. Happy birthday to you.
Now we will download this card once again. It has started downloading. The download is complete. Now let's open the downloaded file and play it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May good luck go with you. Happy birthday to you.
Perfect. Now the music has got synchronized to the time of the card. So that's it. Please try to make a new card on your own. Upload your favorite photos and use it in the cards to your dear ones. Upload music of your choice and add it to the cards you make. You can open plain cards, add animation elements, add pages, and add music. Please explore the menu. There are many attractive templates and many out of the world colors. Use it and make beautiful cards and make life colorful. To make this video as short as possible, I have left out the topic of designing and animating the text. I'll come up with a video on this shortly. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and that it has been useful. If you liked it, please share it. Please subscribe to our channel and keep the notification open so that I can notify you when I am ready with the next video. We value your feedback very much. Please communicate with us through the comment section. Thank you for watching. Watch against Corona and be safe. See you soon.